Hey guys, welcome back to the video. I'm going to be going over my experience with the HR management simulation at NAIT. Just a quick disclaimer, I'm not telling you how to play the simulation or what choices to make. I'm sharing my experience with the simulation, what it looks like, so that you have a bit of an expectation going forward. So I just submitted my name into the simulation, and this is what has come up for me. So first things first, through this, yeah, that's my company name, MLTM measurement, yeah. Okay, yeah. Then you must name a company. Doing after the simulation. So in the dashboard, okay. Overall, well, why wouldn't we push for 50% women? From level 4. Okay. So current staffing, projected resignation. New hires. Cost per layoff. Women employees. So yeah, I'm just reading through these numbers right now, trying to predict what's up. And in the video before I started this, it was telling me to go from highest to lowest. So keep that in mind. Current employees, projected resignation, promoting to level 5. So what if we do 2 here? Okay, 3. Overall shortage of employees. So why not promote from within? Because that's the strategy that I've been, most excited for. See, cost of new hire, it really does go up, but a promotion is what we like to see. And may qualify for overtime. Level 1 employees. See, I'm very worried about committing to this, like matching the staffing projection, because it's a projection, not a reality. And if we're, yeah, I don't know. I'm just worried. $64 employees, bro. That seems crazy. Okay, for this whole quarter, we got a certain amount of money. Let's just run through it really quick. I believe we've been given 1.4 mil. Oh, mama. Okay. So we need to consider this number when it comes to the rest of what we do. Okay, let's save the staffing decisions. Because I can still change these, so I'm going to make similar decisions in another practice attempt before I do this. Wage adjustment. I feel like we don't need to worry about the wage adjustment at the moment. See, that's like a 5% bonus. But for what? I think we can do better things with our money than give more money just because people are doing the same work, you know? Okay, benefits. See, this is what I've been really excited for. Retirement plan. See, health is what I want. Holy dude. We're getting close, bro. But realistically, what are we doing here? Like, what's gonna take so much money? 3,250? Like, it's not bad. Employees. Training new and promote employees to so we got 25,000. Like, what if we put like 2K? Okay, we're squeaking it up there. Low key, I like it. Insufficient funds. We can do that. We can work with that. We need to increase quality. Let me look over product surveys, check. Okay, let's see these programs. I like this grievance procedure, personally. These other ones, I don't know. Performance appraisal, like, basis. Later, I would like to do this DEI program for sure. Bazooka. Nothing about it. Special decisions. So, not every management simulation is going to have the same special decisions. This is specific to me. At the last meeting of managers and supervisors, a major topic of discussion pertained to employee confusion regarding their job duties. Some employees refused to do any work outside their usual routine, exclaiming, "That's not my job." This is somewhat understandable since the company has no written job descriptions. Job duties have been informal understandings, began only a few years ago. What do you mean? You have investigated the various methods, job analysis for the company, and job analysis. See, we were talking about job analysis, like, in class. What the hell it is, bruh? What is it? What it is? What it is? A recent management meeting. Oh my gosh. That's not my job. Understand because the firm has no formal written job descriptions. Although there are no dangerous jobs in their firm, safety laws require or be distasteful to the majority of the population. Make one selection from the following options. Okay. Please stop playing for me now. Please stop it. Please don't ever play that again. So, analyze all jobs including managerial, production operation costs, categorize production, each category, consultant to make a plan for doing it. Hire a consultant to make a plan for doing job analysis. I really like this one, but categorize production and operation jobs. See, let's go to wages, level 1. No, staffing, level 1. Production and productive services. Yeah, so special decision. A lot of those issues are going to be derived from the lower levels, because obviously those people are like, oh my gosh, that's not part of my job. And the higher level people want to keep getting paid. So we're going to go with that one. Special decision there. My phone is ringing. Okay. And we are under budget, which is perfect. Decision rationale. Okay, let's go over our first decision. So, budget analysis, rationale. Firstly, the staff choice were made is benefits. Choose health. Training. What did we do for training? Oh yeah. E2. Overall. Lower level employees were underperforming. Into, what is it again? Quality. Sounded like a missile. What it is. After reading morale. Run. To use it. And yeah. So I'm pretty sure everything is just saved, and that's about it, bruh. Those are my decisions. And that's kind of the walkthrough of the simulation. So if you got any questions, you know, let me know, and I can walk you through what the deal is. And yeah, thanks for watching, big playa.